Welcome back to our channel where we offer tips and tricks for excelling in academia. Today's topic is one that many students find routing: how to write an SOP to universities. An SOP or statement of purpose is an important part of the university application process. It is a chance for you to showcase who you are, your accomplishments and your goals. In this video, we will break down the step to write an outstanding SOP that will help you stand out from other applications. So without wasting time, let's get started. We will start with an introduction. In this introduction, we will start briefly write about ourselves, why you want to pursue this program and which program you are going to apply. You may be applying for computer science program, civil engineering program, mechanical, chemical, electrical or health informatics or public health. Any of these programs or any other programs you are going to apply, please write which program you are going to apply. In this first paragraph itself, you make the person who is reading your SOP clear intention that what is you are applying for, which program you are applying for. After writing this, make sure you start with your academic background where you talk about your degree which you have previously earned, like if you have done your bachelor's, then in which background you have done your bachelor's and all. Everything please mention. If you have done any projects or any achievements you have done or any coursework you have done while doing your bachelor's, please mention those things so that it will be very useful for a person who is reading your SOP to understand about yourself in detail. So once it is done, your academic background, then go with the professional background. If you are working, then only it is applicable. If you are not working, then previous slide was for you. And if you are working, yes, please discuss about your experience, where you have worked, what was your designation, what is your role and what kind of technologies you have used while working, or any designation, health related background, if you any designation or any chance to explore anything in your experience. Please make a strong SOP about your professional background which will clearly tell the person that you are coming from so and so academic background and so and so professional background as well. If you are joining for any other programs coming from CSC background to an electrical background or electrical to CSC, you're jumping from any other different domains or different stream, this professional background will help you or support you to make the person who is reading your SOP saying like, okay, in fact that he is coming from an other background but he has a strong professional experience and we can give him an opportunity to study masters. So this happens in many countries. So I request you to write a strong professional background. And the person who are like new, like freshers, want to jump from one program to other program, I strongly recommend you writing your projects or coursework, whatever you have done, or you can mention these things as well. Like if you have done any course from online Udemy courseworks or anywhere, please write them as well. So once you complete your professional background, you will be going for a research interests. So any person who is looking my video or watching my video looking for writing an SOP for PhD or research, then this slide is important for you. So here you will be discussing your experience, previous experience or previous research or the research interest you have or you want to continue. So those topics you need to mention very clearly. It's not for all, it's an optional for the PhD students or research background students. So those please include these things afterwards. Once it is done, your research interest is done, then I request you to go ahead and write why you have selected this country. It might be US, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, any country. Please tell them why you have selected this country. Points which you can mention is like the program offered by your country. You can tell like it is like 10 years ahead or something like that. So whichever best suits for you, please write about that thing, like why you have selected this country. You can also mention like practical based education system, small classroom size they offer, so digital classrooms, everything. You can mention it many things about a country. So why you have selected that specific country. Once you complete this section, this paragraph, then you come to course, about course. So in this you can mention course description, like if you are going for any courses like related to public health or health informatics, please mention what is this all about the course. This will tell the person like you know about the program. Okay, you have gone through the course curriculum of our website, so it will just inform you are informing to the reader reading your SOP, saying that yes, I have gone through your program curriculum and program description, everything. So it will help you, and it will make you, it is the you who are telling to the reader saying that I have gone through that. So once program description is done, then give about the curriculum, what subjects you are going to learn or what things you are going to study in this program and how many credits program is all about, duration and all. Any research opportunities are available while studying this program, please mention it out as well. And also you can add like any industry connections. By doing this program, they also offer an internship along with this. So with any industry or an organization, then please mention those as well about the course. Faculty expertise, if any faculty having PhD or a award winning research he has done and you want to study with under him, then please mention that as well. So this is all about the course which you can write it out. Now coming to university, you can write their reputation, saying ranking of the universities, how much they rank in QS ranking. There are many rankings we have, so please mention them. You can also mention the faculty expertise who are available in that university. You can also mention the research facilities what are available by that universities and the resources. And also you can also mention the student life and communities which they have. Student communities, most of the international universities have small communities, Indian communities, and more specific if you go, then there are many specific communities also there. If you can mention those, yes, you can mention them as well. So next thing about the career services and the industry connections which that university have, so mention those things as well in your SOP when you write about the university. So these are the points which you need to keep in mind while writing your SOP. So next, coming down after your SOP, you need after your this what we call university, you need to add your future career plan. So future career plan, you can write your short term goals, what you want to work for short duration, and then you can have your long term goals. Then you are like planning to build an organization or something like that. So short term, long term goals, you can mention it out. Or you can also tell like industry is trending and artificial intelligence or machine learning is trending, so I want to grab that knowledge or enhance my skills and quality and strengths in those particular areas. That's the reason I'm going to learn these things. You can mention it that as well. And also you can tell a clear career development plan, like I want to, after doing this master's course, I'll be joining so and so organization with so and so package, and then as in this in designation, and then later on I'll be moving apart and looking for these opportunities. So you can always mention your career development plan as well in your future career plan. These are few things which you need to mention it out in your SOP. After career development plan, you need to conclude your SOP saying thank you for reading or giving your time. So I'm happy to join your program if you give an opportunity. So those things please mention it out. That will conclude your SOP. These are the main paragraphs which you need to have. Now before we end up this video, I want to give you some links, important links through which you can create your SOP without wasting your money outside by giving to a person who writes an SOP and all. The important links which you can use to write your own SOP. The first thing is ChatGPT. So there is a OpenAI which has many content. You can get many lot of ideas or get content ideas from that website. Just you need to tell to that tool saying that I need this thing on, I need a content on this topic, or I needed content for this particular university, I needed content, a course curriculum of this particular course. If you give it will give you some ideas. Please take that ideas and write in your own words, so that I can tell you. Next thing, check your grammar after writing your SOP by using Grammarly. Again, it's a great tool. It's a free of cost. The tools which I am discussing right now, these are all free of cost, and links will be provided in the description. No worries. worries. So this is a second free tool which you can use Grammarly to check your grammars so that your SOP is grammar free. Third tool you can use is small SEO tools to check your plagiarism. Yes, many university may check or may not check your plagiarism on your SOP, but still make sure like your SOP is plagiarism free. Few programs, they are very specific programs, they check SOP plagiarisms as well. So please check your plagiarism before submitting that application or that SOP to the university. So if you need any support from my end, you can always contact us. Comment below, we are happy to help you out. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for getting latest videos and tips and tricks on similar topic. If you have got any information, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.